Hey guys, this is objective 2 of your additional focus area called Modern America. We're going to be looking at technology and immigration in modern America. The technology that we're going to look at is under the Industrial Revolution, which you guys had a power focus area. If you guys remember, it happened around the 1700s all the way to the 1900s. The first one began in England, and some technological advancements included steam and water power for more productive farming. The second one began in the United States in the 1800s for more electricity, steel, and chemicals. Now let's look at how immigration has changed modern America. Obviously, the population begins to change. People start immigrating in waves. Obviously, the United States was Native Americans at first, and then the first wave included people from Northern Europe, England, France, Spain. If you guys remember from the very beginning of the year, those were the three big countries that came to the United States. And I want you guys to think of the 13 colonies. They were the three main countries that landed in the United States. If we look at a map, this is the first wave right here, Northern Europe. The second wave is from South and West Europe, which includes Germany and Russia. So they are a little further east, so it took them a little longer to get into the United States. And the third wave included Latin America and Asia. Asia, as you guys can see, they have to go all the way around the globe and over into the United States. And then the third wave also includes Latin America, which is down here, and they would travel into the United States. Now, immigration has a lot of influences on the United States and modern America, including art, whether it's physical art that you can see, or music, the culture, the food, or different customs. For example, here in Texas, we have a lot of Mexican food and Mexican architecture, like the Alamo, since we are right next to Mexico. Some other influences of immigration include illegal immigration. This is immigrants are looking for work, and they come into the United States illegally. They are working menial jobs that United States citizens might not want. Now, the future of technology and immigration in modern America is currently happening and kind of has happened over the past couple of years. The third and fourth industrial revolutions are happening. For example, we are depending a lot on computers, especially at this time. And we are now seeing the development of artificial technology and hyperconnectivity, which includes Wi-Fi and things such as the cloud. The future of immigration will be seeing that the cultures around us will begin to change a lot. If we look at this graph right here, we will see that a lot of the non-Hispanic and white population is going to shrink from about 65 to about 46%. We'll see that Latino race and ethnicities will grow in the next 40 years or so. African American populations will shrink, Asian American populations will grow, and we'll have some of our Native and American Indian race and ethnicities stay about the same. As we can see, America is changing a lot, and what is modern right now might not be modern in a couple of years. But that is objective 2, Modern America, Technology and Immigration. That should be all the videos for you guys to finish your last additional focus area. Good luck, guys.